Why does this fit so well? I feel bad for Gabe dying though. What the hell? Oh, so cute. God.